Biorad ChemiDoc XRS camera and software setup for imaging Quansys chemiluminescent multiplexed ELISAs. For file setup, open the software on the computer. Click on File, then select ChemiDoc XRS. Under Step 1, select Application, press the Select button, then select Custom, and then Create. When the new window opens, name this custom setup as Quansys 1x1 binning. Under Illumination, select None. Under Gain and Binning, select 2x 1x1 and click OK. Now that this setting is saved, you can use it again for future exposures. Instead of selecting Create, you would select Quansys 1x1 binning. Camera setup and focus. On the software, select Live Focus. On the cabinet, press the plus button to open the aperture or iris all the way to the lowest number. Open the camera's drawer. Place the plate in the middle of the drawer, and then close the drawer. Press the Epi White button on the camera cabinet. Press the zoom buttons on the cabinet until the plate fills most of the screen on the computer. Replace the plate with the imaging target sheet or mouse pad and close the door. Press the focus buttons on the cabinet until the targets or lettering are in focus on the computer screen. Replace the imaging target sheet with the plate. Close the door and make sure the plate is in the center of the imaging screen and is straight. Turn off the Epi White button on the cabinet, then select Freeze in the software. Image acquisition. On Step 3, Acquire Image on the software, change the exposure time to 30 seconds and select Manual Expose. When the exposure is complete, convert the image into negative. To do this, click Image and then a new menu will appear. Select Transform and then check the box that says Invert Display. Click OK and then save the image. After acquiring the images, you need to convert them to Tiff files for analysis. Click on File, then Export to Tiff Image. Select Export Raw Data, click on Export, then click on Save. It is recommended you take several images of the plate at different exposure times as each camera, assay, and setup is different. Other suggested image times are 20 seconds, 60 seconds, 90 seconds, and 120 seconds.